back up and take the next step again.
Welcome to Quinn's Next Step. Today we're doing pork bratwurst. Again, from Pure Pastures. We're going to start off with a parboil. So once that water gets boiling, toss in those bratwurst. Go ahead and get some buns out. Get some sauerkraut, sweet baby Ray's, sweet and spicy barbecue sauce, some sriracha. Some people like ketchup. I do like the Dijon mustard or the beer and brat mustard. Some like the yellow mustard. Once they're ready to go, transfer them over to a preheated skillet. And wait. And flip. Find where your hot spots are. Move everything around. Oh, once they get a nice brown on them, go ahead and get them flipped. They will roll on you. You can pin them up against the sides, pin them up against each other. If you keep doing it and actually pay attention to them, as you can see, they actually start straightening out. Trying to stand them up like a bridge is fun. If you turn up the heat a little bit, you can just slide them all around. I am cooking these at a low-medium heat. Every time I take it slow with a lower temperature, the meats always come out better. Oh yeah, once you get a nice toast all around, brings out that flavor.
Take the next step a little bit closer. Take the up and take the next step again.